This is what ski holidays look like when money is no object. Welcome to this stunning ski-in, ski-out luxury apartment in Méribel-Mottaret, one of the most sought-after ski resorts in the French Alps. The best part, you can literally step outside, clip into your skis and head straight into the slopes. After a day on the mountain, you're just a short walk from restaurants, cafes, bars, local shops. Or you can hop on the cable car that runs late into the evening. Inside, the apartment is just as impressive. It features 3 spacious bedrooms, a separate bunk room that's perfect for kids and extra guests, and 4 beautifully finished bathrooms, giving everyone plenty of space to relax after a long day skiing. The open plan living area is flooded with natural light thanks to the huge windows, and the panoramic mountain views are absolutely unreal. Whether you're enjoying breakfast with the sunrise or relaxing by the fire after skiing, every angle feels like a postcard. The interior has been finished to an incredibly high standard, with luxurious fabrics, premium materials, and a warm alpine design that makes the whole apartment feel cozy while still being seriously elegant. And it's not just about looks. You'll also get 2 secure underground parking spaces, a private cellar for extra storage, and your own ski locker, making every trip effortless from the moment you arrive. If you're thinking long term, there's even more to like. With strong rental potential, reduced notary fees, and the possibility of reclaiming VAT under certain conditions, this isn't just an amazing holiday home. It could also be a very smart investment. So here's a big question. Would you rather own this luxury ski apartment in the Alps or a beachfront penthouse somewhere like Dubai? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to follow for more incredible luxury properties from around the world.